So we're going to change the cabin filter in a Mark 1 Toyota Yaris. So to do that, open the glove box, take anything out of the glove box that's in there. Then push the sides in, there's a tab on each side and you just need to push it in and then the glove box will drop out and then you can pull the whole glove box away. Then you'll be able to see just in here, this is the cover for the filter that you just need to pull from each side and then slide the old filter out. Okay, so once you've got it out, we need to remove the filter from the little housing. It's quite dirty, so I'd recommend taking it out of the car. Just lift it up and just slide it out like that. Then get your new filter. So get your new filter, it's a slightly different style but it still fits. And just slide it in. And then get ready to go and put it back in the car. Go back to the car and just slide it back in. Let it clip in just like that. That way it's in. Then get your glove box and just line up the holes with the bottom. Get it in place. Then once it's in place, squeeze the sides in and then you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.